my tip of the week this week is if you're designing something, have a plan. Now, what I mean by that is don't just jump straight onto the computer because, if you don't have a clear idea in your mind what you want things to look like or where you want to place them or what the actual purpose is of the thing you're designing, then you just end up jumping onto whatever platform it is. Maybe it's Canva, maybe it's, I don't know, whatever else you're using, Word, never designing Word, or PowerPoint or whatever. But first of all, grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen and just scribble some stuff down. It doesn't have to be the final finished article, but just give yourself that room for a bit of creativity, a bit of just to scrub something out and move it around and see what works best, and think about it. Think about, what are you trying to achieve? What do you need to get out of this thing that you're designing? If it's a logo, give some real thought before you even get to the paper stage about what you're trying to convey. So yeah, it's all in the planning, really. I've got nearly 25 years experience of being a graphic designer, and I always start with a piece of paper and a pen. I would never just jump straight onto the computer, and because it just doesn't work. It just doesn't. I need to have an idea. I need to have a plan before I start creating on the computer. And if I need to do that, then you sure as heck need to do that too. I hope that helps. I'll see you next week.